Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Gmail account. For enabling two-factor authentication in Gmail account, you have to click right corner your logo. Then you have to go manage your account option, click it. After going to do your Google account, click security option. Scroll down, here you can see that two-step verification is turned off. Click it. Now read this: protect your account with two-step verification, prevent hackers from accessing your account with an additional layer of security. When you sign in, two-step verification helps make sure your personal information stay private, safe and secure. Security made easy. In addition to your password, two-step verification adds a quick second step to verify that it's you. Use two-factor verification for all your online accounts. Two-step verification is a proven way to prevent widespread cyber attack. Turn it on whenever it's offered to protect all your online accounts. So you have to click get started. Then you have to click it continue. Then give your country code first. Here my country code is +880. Now I am clicking it. Then type your number. After typing your number, click send. How do you want to get codes? Use text message. It is easier than phone call. Then send. Then confirm that it works. Google just send a text message with the verification code to your number. Check it. After typing verification code, click next. After validating your PIN, your two-step verification will be on. Here now you are seeing that a tick mark. Turn on two-step verification. You will stay signed to your Gmail account on this device. You might be signed out to other devices. To sign back in, you will need to password and a second step. Turn on. Now we are seeing that it is verified with your mobile number. Now go to your home page and we are seeing that you have security tips, check mark. Your two-step verification is on. You can check it from the security option also. Check security option. Now we are seeing the two-step verification on since 9:35 p.m. So that's all. Thanks for watching.